Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to knit this stitch. I'm using this Caron Cake Anniversary. It's a huge cake. So it's really hard to see, but you can get the idea. So I am going to show you how to knit this. This is the front. I'm knitting a scarf, and this is the back. The two sides are not same, unfortunately. So what you need to do is you need to cast on multiple of 5 plus 4. Okay, so on here I have 24, and I'm going to be using this yarn. I bought it from Michael's. Tried to pull it from the inside, but it's not coming out. Couldn't find the it's pretty bulky. So on this one I am going to cast on 15 multiple of 5 plus 4, so 19, because this yarn is pretty bulky. And the recommendation, it's 100% polyester. Recommend, it's a number 5, it says, but it is like a 6. It's pretty bulky. So a recommendation is 8. And I grabbed this knitting needle, which is an 11 US. It's the prime. Okay, yeah, I couldn't find the inside, so I'm just grabbing it from the outside. Okay, so let's 15 plus 20. So 2 rows we're gonna purl, or you can knit. When you pull, it's like it'll stretch a lot. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, I don't need that much yarn, so I'm going to use up all the entire yarn. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 14, 16, 18, and one more. Okay. First time using this yarn because it was on sale. For donation, right? So here we go. Most of my yarn are like multicolored. Even this is multicolored, but the colorway is pretty long, so I thought this would be perfect. And it's blue because in the basket they had all pinks. Here we go. It was $10. It went to $7, so I saved up $3. Okay, so the first 2 rows are going to be knit stitches or purl, just a 2 row. And I am making a scarf, so you can make anything you want. This stitch would be perfect for sweaters. I'm planning to make a top with this. The stitch is done in 2 ways, the right side and the wrong side. So just to let you know, the wrong side is not purl. So you do the stitch. And it's really nice to work with. Okay. Don't know why it's showing blurry. Here we go. This is a lace, well, it is because it has the yarn over. Any yarn over, or for me it's a lace stitch. but it doesn't look like it's a lace stitch, so that's what I like about this stitch. And it's very easy, and it looks good. So I'm going to use up all the yarn. I don't know how much. It says 200 grams, but yeah, wideness is enough for a scarf. Okay, so we're going to start right away. The first stitch I don't knit, and then the 2 stitches we're just going to knit, and then yarn over. Okay, this is very important when we're doing this process, because I did notice when you do it differently. Let me just show you first. And when you pick up the stitches, it gives you a total different end result. So for the 3 stitches, I'm going to grab them from the back, and then I'm going to pull 1, but I don't let it go. And then I go back again. I grab the 2, so I make 2 stitches. But this technique, can you see when you let go the 3 stitches, it slants towards your left side? So this is very important. Okay, so we're going to knit 1, knit 2, yarn over, and then we're going to repeat this. Don't forget the yarn over. If you forget it, you can always grab it. So we don't let it go, and we go back, and then we pick up a stitch with the 2 stitches. This is slippery. So we have 2 stitches. Can you see? So this technique is very important. If you do it, let me show you. Knit, knit. If you do it from the front, it gives you a total. If you do it from the front like this, it gives you a total different look. So just be cautious. So grab it from the back. Grab the 3 stitches from the back. Put 1 loop, and then go back and go between the 2 stitches. So this technique is very important. Okay, and then you let it go. And then we have 3 stitches left, and we just knit them. Okay, so now we're finished the first row. The wrong side, it's just a 2-row repeat. That's all we're going to do. And then my yarn. So the first 3 stitches, the first stitch I don't knit. I slide it so it gives me this nice edge. Okay, the first 2 stitches we're going to purl. Okay, and this is the wrong side of the work. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to knit the 3 stitches, yarn over this way, because we're going to, what did I do? Purl, right? Yeah, we're going to purl these 3 stitches, grab that yarn over, and then from the front, okay, don't let it go, and we go back, hold the stitch, yarn like this, and then grab the 2, okay, and then make a stitch, and you let it go. Okay, and you repeat this. Purl, purl, yarn over, because we're going to purl the 3 stitches with the 2 stitches with the yarn over. We grab them, and we're going to purl, don't let it go, grab the 2, and let it go. Okay, purl, purl, yarn over, the yarn over, we grab the yarn, this is the yarn over, so 3 stitches, pull, and then grab the 2, and then repeat the process. I think it's brilliant. And then the last 3 stitches we just purl, but for the purpose I knit this last stitch when I'm purling. It gives me this nice edge. Okay, and this is how it looks like so far. Okay, and this is the wrong side, and automatically you will see that this is slanting towards my left, and this slanting towards my right. Again, if you pick up the stitches differently, the stitch will totally change. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, slide, knit, knit, yarn over, knit these 3 stitches together, hold it, and then go between, and then knit this 2 stitches and let it go. Okay, knit, knit, yarn over. Okay, we're grabbing that yarn over. Don't forget that. So it's supposed to be 3 stitches. That's why it's important not to forget to do the yarn over. Oops. It's a little bit hard to pick up this one. Here we go. That's why you need a pointy needle. Okay, and let it go. See how the stitch is becoming? I think it's brilliant. Knit, knit. Let's say you forgot to do your yarn over. Don't freak out, okay? I'll show you. And I did show on my previous tutorials. So let's say you forgot to do the yarn over. So don't panic. Okay, just continue. I will show you on the next row to fix that and let it go. Okay, the wrong side. Purl, purl. Okay, we do a yarn over. See, we forgot to do the yarn over. Oh my goodness, but it's right there. So nothing to panic about it, okay? So what we're going to do is, here it is. So we're going to put it this way, and we're going to use that. See? Okay, so knit the 3 stitches, but it's better for you not to forget to do the yarn over, because it will, this part will become a little bit tight. And then knit 2 stitches, and then let it go. Okay, so it's purl, purl, yarn over, knit the 3 stitches, hold, knit the 2 stitches between the first and the second, and then let it go. So you will have 2 stitches. Okay, and this is all to it. See, the way I did it, it's wrong, so I'm going to do it this way. Okay, sometimes you need to fix that, because we need to knit it like this. If you do it like I said, oops, sliding, so slippery. The yarn is very slippery. And for the donations, they asked us to use acrylic, and I don't have much acrylic in my stash. Most of my yarn has wool in it. So when I see yarn on sale, I grab them. And we knit the last 3 stitches and purl the 2, and the last one I knit. And this is how it looks like on the back, so you can see it better. And this is how it looks like from the wrong side. So I hope you like this tutorial. See how easy it is? Okay, let me just put this here. And then I will show you the Caron anniversary cake. It's a little bit tough. Here, I wanted to show you how it doesn't look good when you pick up the stitches wrong. See, here it is. It's slanting. It's like a basket weave, or it looks very unique. I really like this stitch, the way it looks. So I just wanted to show you. If you pick it up, see, it's slanting. Both are same, because I just wanted to show you how it looks like if you do it the wrong way. If you pick up the stitches, the 3 stitches from the front or from the back, it changes totally. Okay, so just wanted to share this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial, my next video. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.